Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn to knit this beautiful and different looking pattern. You can use this pattern in your ladies cardigan sweater. This is the pattern. See, wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all knit on knit stitch and purl on purl stitch. You knit on knit stitch and purl on purl stitch for every wrong side rows. See, so this is only 10 rows repeat pattern and you need to cast 10 multiples of 16 plus 2 edge stitch, multiples of 16, 16, 16 and 2 edge stitch on both sides. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 34 stitches on my needle, which is 16 plus 16 32 and 2 edge stitch 34. So row 1 right side your edge stitch knit on the right side and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern we're going to twist 4 to the left way, bring this 2 here from the back side. We're twisting this 2 to the left way, so bring this 2 here from the back side and place this 2 on your left hand needle, and from this 4 stitch knit 4, 1 2 3 4, knit 4 and purl 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, purl 8, yarn in back, twist 4 to the right way, bring this 2 here from the front side and from this 4 stitch knit 4, 1 2 3 and 4. That's the repeat from here to here. Twist 4 to the left way and then purl 8 2 4 6 8 and twist 4 to the right way. Repeat that again. Twist 4 to the left way, bring this 2 here from the back side and knit this 4, 1 2 3 4, knit 4 to purl 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, purl 8 and then twist 4 to the right way and from these 4 stitch knit 4, 1 2 3 4 and your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 2 wrong side, row 2 and every wrong side rows you will knit on knit stitch and purl on purl stitch. Your edge stitch slip purl wise on the wrong side and purl on purl, knit on knit. Purl on purl and knit on knit. We have all knit stitch here, so knit on knit stitch. We have 4 purl stitch here, sorry 8 purl stitch, so purl 8, 8 knit stitch here, knit 8, four purl stitch, purl 4. Now row 3 right side, row 3 right side, your edge stitch, slip knitwise on the right side and start the repeat from here. Yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3 and then SSK, slip 1 knitwise, slip 2 knitwise and knit these two together through the back loop. SSK and purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, purl 6 and knit 2 together, knit 3, 1, 2 and 3. That's the repeat from here to here. For repeat pattern we have done yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, SSK, purl 6, 2, 4, 6, knit 2 together, knit 3 and then yarn over, right, yarn over. That's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Repeat that again, repeat that again. Yarn over, you will have 2 yarn overs here, right, yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, SSK, slip 1 knitwise, slip 2 knitwise and knit these two together through the back loop. SSK, purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, knit 2 together, knit 3, 1, 2, 3 and yarn over. We have done 2 repeats. Your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 4 wrong side, row 4 wrong side, your edge stitch, slip and then knit on knit and purl on purl. And for these yarn overs you will make 1 purl stitch here and here where you have 2 purl stitch, so 2 yarn overs, you will make 2 purl stitch here. So purl this yarn over, knit on knit, purl on purl, and here we have 2 yarn overs here. So on 2 yarn overs we are going to make 2 purl stitch, 1 and 2 purl stitch and then purl on purl, knit on knit. And this 1 yarn over, purl, make only 1 purl stitch, edge stitch, purl. Now row 5 right side, edge stitch, slip knitwise on the right side and then start the repeat from here. Knit 1, yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. knit 1, yarn over, knit 3, and then SSK, slip 1, knit twice, slip 2, knit twice, and knit these two together through the back loop. SSK, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 2 together, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, knit 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 1, yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, SSK, purl 4, knit 2 together, knit 3, yarn over, knit 1. Again, knit 1, yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, SSK, slip 1, knit twice, slip 2, knit twice, and knit these two together through the back loop. SSK, purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, sorry, purl 4, and then knit 2 together, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, knit 1, and your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 6 wrong side, edge stitch slip, knit on knit and purl, edge stitch slip and purl on purl. For this yarn over, always purl on the wrong side, purl stitch, purl. Row 7, edge stitch slip, and then start the repeat from here, knit 2, yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, SSK, purl 2, knit 2 together, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, knit 2. That's the repeat. Knit 2, yarn over, knit 3, SSK, purl 2, knit 2 together, knit 3, yarn over, knit 2. Again, knit 2, 1, 2, yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, SSK, purl 2, knit 2 together, knit 3, yarn over, knit 2. Edge stitch, knit. row 8 knit on knit stitch and purl on purl stitch. Knit on knit and purl on purl. Row 9 edge stitch slip and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 3, one, 2, 3, knit 3, yarn over, knit 2, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, SSK, knit 2 together, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over and knit 3, 1, 2, 3. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, knit 3, SSK, knit 2 together, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, knit 3, 3. Again knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, SSK, knit 3, knit together, knit 3, yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2 and 3. Edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 10 wrong side, knit on knit stitch and purl on purl stitch. Knit on knit stitch and purl on purl stitch. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Now repeat this 10 rows, row 1 to row 10 over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after a few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.